son, I told you not to be taller than me. That's a rule, you know? So I'm calling the police.
Oh no.
Now. 911, what's the emergency? Okay. So my emergency is that in our house, our rule is not to be taller than me, but my son has broken that rule and is taller than me. Sir, that's not a really good reason to call 911. It's just a rule in your house. You can't control your son's growth. Oh no, my son's about to say I like trains. When he does, it puts in a train will hit us all.
No.
Sir, I don't believe that. Yes, 911. Wait, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. I like trains.
I still like trains. Oh! Beep! We were having technical difficulties.